Since the dawn of time, humans have been captivated by the idea of immortality. Myths, legends, and religious texts are replete with stories of eternal life, reflecting our deep-seated desire to transcend our mortal constraints. The quest for immortality is deeply ingrained in our psyche, driving us to explore every avenue that might lead to a world where death is no longer inevitable. Today, thanks to rapid advancements in science and technology, we stand on the precipice of a new era, one where the dream of living forever might finally be within reach. While the fountain of youth remains elusive, scientists are making remarkable strides in understanding the aging process and developing technologies that could potentially extend our lifespans significantly. From cryonics and brain uploading to AI-powered drug discovery and cellular reprogramming, the possibilities seem endless. However, as we venture into this uncharted territory, it is crucial to proceed with caution and engage in thoughtful ethical considerations. The pursuit of immortality raises profound questions about the meaning of life, the nature of consciousness, and the potential consequences of tampering with the fundamental cycles of life and death. As we explore the potential pathways to eternal life, we must ask ourselves not only if we can achieve immortality, but also if we should. The allure of immortality is undeniable, promising a future where we can witness the wonders of the universe unfold over eons, accumulate boundless knowledge and experience, and spend eternity with our loved ones. But it also presents a myriad of challenges and potential pitfalls. As we delve into the science and ethics of life extension, we must carefully weigh the potential benefits against the risks, ensuring that our pursuit of immortality does not come at the cost of our humanity. Cryonics, the practice of preserving legally deceased people at extremely low temperatures, has long captured the imagination as a potential gateway to immortality. Proponents of cryonics believe that by placing the body in a state of suspended animation, it may be possible to preserve it until medical technology advances to the point where revival and rejuvenation become feasible. The process involves replacing bodily fluids with cryoprotective agents to prevent ice crystal formation, which can damage cells and tissues, followed by cooling the body to cryogenic temperatures, typically below -196 degrees Celsius. While cryonics offers a glimmer of hope for those who dream of cheating death, the scientific community remains skeptical about its long-term viability. The primary concern lies in the potential for irreparable damage to cells and tissues during the freezing and thawing process, despite the use of cryoprotectants. Moreover, even if revival were possible, there is no guarantee that the revived individual would retain their memories, personality, or cognitive abilities. Despite the challenges, cryonics continues to attract adherents, with companies like Alcor Life Extension Foundation and the Cryonics Institute offering cryopreservation services. Researchers are actively working on improving cryopreservation techniques, exploring methods to minimize cellular damage and enhance the chances of successful revival. However, until significant breakthroughs are made, cryonics remains more of a leap of faith than a guaranteed path to immortality. The ethical implications of cryonics are equally complex. If revival were to become possible, it would raise questions about the legal status, rights, and identity of cryogenically preserved individuals. Furthermore, the potential for social disruption and inequality in a world where only the wealthy could afford cryopreservation cannot be ignored. Another tantalizing possibility on the road to immortality lies in the realm of brain uploading, also known as mind uploading or whole brain emulation. This futuristic concept involves creating a digital replica of the brain, complete with all its memories, personality, and consciousness, and transferring it to a non-biological substrate, such as a supercomputer or a synthetic body. Proponents of brain uploading envision a future where we can transcend the limitations of our physical bodies and exist as digital entities free from disease, aging, and even death. However, the prospect of uploading our minds into machines is fraught with technical and philosophical hurdles. The human brain is an incredibly complex organ, containing billions of neurons connected by trillions of synapses. Mapping and replicating this intricate network of connections, along with the dynamic electrochemical processes that govern brain activity, is a monumental task that lies far beyond our current technological capabilities. Moreover, even if we were able to create a perfect replica of the brain's physical structure, it remains unclear whether this would be sufficient to transfer consciousness. The nature of consciousness is still a profound mystery, and it is debatable whether simply replicating the brain's physical processes would capture the subjective experience of being human. Despite the challenges, research into brain-computer interfaces, artificial intelligence and neuroscience is steadily advancing, bringing us closer to understanding the complexities of the brain. Projects like the Human Brain Project, which aims to create a detailed simulation of the human brain, are pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and paving the way for future breakthroughs. While cryonics and brain uploading remain speculative, advancements in artificial intelligence are already revolutionizing the field of drug discovery, offering a more immediate path to extending human lifespan. AI algorithms can analyze vast data sets of biological information, identify potential drug targets, and design novel compounds with unprecedented speed and accuracy. This has the potential to accelerate the development of therapies for age-related diseases, slow down the aging process itself, and ultimately extend our lifespans significantly. One promising area of research involves the use of AI to identify and target senescent cells, which are dysfunctional cells that accumulate with age and contribute to the development of age-related diseases. By eliminating these zombie cells, scientists believe it may be possible to slow down or even reverse the aging process. Another promising avenue is the development of drugs that mimic the effects of caloric restriction, a dietary intervention that has been shown to extend lifespan in various organisms. AI algorithms are being used to identify compounds that can activate the same molecular pathways as caloric restriction, potentially providing the benefits of this intervention without the need for extreme dietary changes. Companies like In Silico Medicine and Calico, a subsidiary of Alphabet, are at the forefront of this revolution, leveraging AI to develop novel therapies for age-related diseases and extend human health span. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking discoveries in the field of longevity research. All right, let's dive into the fascinating world of cellular secrets to longevity. You see, our cells are constantly working to repair and regenerate, but over time this process can slow down. Scientists have discovered that certain cellular mechanisms can actually help extend our lifespan. For instance, telomeres, which are protective caps on the ends of our chromosomes, play a crucial role. As we age, these telomeres shorten, leading to cell aging and death. However, by maintaining the length of our telomeres, we can potentially slow down the aging process. Another key player is autophagy, a process where cells clean out damaged components and recycle them. This not only helps in maintaining cellular health, but also boosts longevity. So, by understanding and supporting these cellular processes, we might just unlock the secrets to a longer, healthier life. Throughout the natural world, there are creatures that seem to defy the very concept of aging. From the jellyfish that can revert to its juvenile form to certain species of turtles that show negligible signs of aging, these organisms offer a glimpse into the possibilities of biological immortality. By studying them, scientists hope to unlock the secrets that could one day extend human life far beyond its current limits. But you know, immortality isn't without its own set of challenges. Imagine a world where no one ages or dies. Overpopulation could become a critical issue. Resources would be stretched thin, and societal structures might need to undergo drastic changes. Ethical and moral dilemmas would arise, questioning the very essence of what it means to be human. The quest for immortality, therefore, isn't just a scientific challenge, but a philosophical one as well. So what does the future hold? Is humanity on the brink of discovering the path to eternal life? Advances in genetic engineering, regenerative medicine, and biotechnology are making it increasingly plausible. However, it's essential to approach this quest with caution and responsibility. The dream of eternal life is enticing, but it comes with its own set of complexities and unknowns that we must carefully navigate. Ultimately, the pursuit of immortality is a delicate balancing act. It requires a harmonious blend of scientific innovation, ethical considerations, and societal readiness. While the idea of living forever is fascinating, it's crucial to weigh the potential benefits against the possible consequences. Only by doing so can we hope to make informed decisions about the future of human longevity.